Alright, there's the finished stain so far for everything. Not a bad color. So we're going to put some polyurethane on here to make it a bit more durable and for easier cleanup. There's extra wood over there, but we'll clean that up later. Storage. I installed a paper towel holder. Here's the little table that swivels. We're going to seal that as well, and the platform bed. So we're going to do all of that right now. All done. Here's the build so far. Beautiful dark wood. Yeah, just a stain. It's called Cognac with a polyurethane coating on top for waterproofing. This will sleep both of us with some pretty good storage down below. We have banker's boxes that fit there and can be taken out from either side. Put in this paper towel holder, and we'll just be filling it with things periodically as we get them and see how we can make this build work for us. I found out this space here, this 1x1, is perfect for those blue water bottles, the giant water jug containers that you see in supermarkets. And I'll be putting D-rings across here so you can put the bungee cord and bungee something up there if we need to. And of course, the Velcro is going to go in for the mosquito netting around the border edges over here. So that will be the finish to our build, and the rest is just making it more homely. We're just taking these sticky Velcro pieces, but only the rough side, not the fuzzy side, because the fuzzy side is going to be the mosquito netting that's going to get caught on these hooks. And what we're going to do is we're just going to clean off a little corner up here. Get it real good. Then stick one of the stickies in there. See? That's it. Real simple. It'll stay there and it will be perfectly fine. When the door closes, it's not going to impede anything, and we can get mosquito netting easily set up anywhere we want to. So I'm going to put on the rest of the pieces now. Probably put one right here, then update you in just a second. Okay, let's test it out. See how it works. Oh, that's so perfect. That's so good. All right, easy to install, easy to take off. Mosquito netting. Excellent. Dollar store Velcro. Perfect. Oh, let go. No, oh geez. That's gonna be a thing.